Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to make some bread. I'm going to make two very quick baguettes. So for our recipe today, I need 375 grams of all-purpose flour. This is 2.5 cups. 244 grams of warm water. This is 8.5 ounces. 5 grams of salt, 1 teaspoon. And our last ingredient, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of instant yeast. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. For my first step, I'm going to get all of my flour into my bowl. I am using all-purpose flour. You can also use bread flour if you wish. And then all of my instant yeast. I'm just going to mix that in. That's good. My salt. And my warm water. And that is it for the recipe. Close down my lid. I'm going to turn my mixer on. See a nice light come on in there? There's a little light that's incorporated right up in the top here. So that is really nice. And then I'm going to get my mixer going. I'm going to take that up to about number 3 on my speed. And I'm just going to let that go. I'm going to mix this about 14 minutes, the same as I usually do with my pizza dough. If you want information about this amazing mixer, you can check it down in the description box. I'll put a link to this mixer here. This is called the Pro Baker 5 Plus, and I'll also put a link to it in the comment section. So I'll let this go, and then I'll be back. Hey everybody, my 14-minute timer just went off, so I'm going to lift this up. And there is our really nice dough. Oh, that is nice. Look at that. Oh, okay, I'm gonna bring it out of the machine and I'll be back in 1 second. So I brought my dough out of my mixer. Let's see what the total dough weight is. 614 grams. So I'm just going to split this in half. So look at that, I just cut it in half, 308, because that's what we need, around there. 303, I'll cut a little bit off of that one. 302. 303. Alright, we'll just split those up like that. We got 306. 305, so that's close. That's good, perfect. So I have greased 2 bowls with some olive oil. And I'm just going to take these doughs, very nice dough, and I just want to do a little bit of a rise on both of these before we take them out and shape them into the little baguettes. And I am far from a professional, but I have done this a few times in my lifetime, and they might not look perfect, but inside the taste is amazing. So let's just fold this over. Let's get it all together. That's good. Into my bowl. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray the top of both of these, and I'm just going to cover them with plastic wrap, and then I'm going to let them rise for about an hour. So I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll come back a little while later. Hey everybody, this is about 50 minutes later, and my doughs are doing very well, so I thought I should get on with the process. So we'll start with our first dough, and you can see how nicely that has risen. Look at that. Oh. Smells amazing. I'm gonna get a little flour down on my bench. And I'm gonna get my dough out. Look at this dough. Oh, that is nice. So I'm just gonna take my dough. You wanna make sure that you've got enough flour down on your work area. it over. Flip it over. I don't want these too large or too long. I think that's nice just like that. And I'm just going to rest the dough on my little fabric here. This is called a couche. I'll just put that in there just like that. Just make it nice and cozy. Hopefully I'm on camera here. Yeah, I'm on camera. So this is a piece of material and it's coated with flour so it doesn't stick. So just pull it up like that. And we'll do our next one. And if you don't have that, you can do it without it. You just want to put it on your tray and just put it into the nice size that you want and then just let it rest. You want to cover that. So now let's get this out. Oh, look at this dough. Look at this dough. Oh, it is amazing. So nice. A little bit more flour. And just a fold. Just lock it in with the heel of your hand. I'll flip it over, flip it the other way. Like that. And you can give it a little pinch to lock it in. Flip it over and then just get it to the size that you want. Now you'll see a lot of baguettes, they'll be nice like this and then they'll come right down to a little bit of a tip. Obviously the sharper the tip, the more it will brown and possibly burn on the edge. That looks good just like that. Then I lift it and I bring it in. Make sure I'm on camera. Get our little dough in there like that and then we just roll this up just like that. Okay, perfect. And now I'm going to let these sit here and just let them rise. Can't really see that one there, but there it is. So now I'm just going to cover these. I'll let them rise and then I'll come back. Hey everybody, I am back. It is 45 minutes later. Let's just remove our towel. And you can see that those have blown up really nicely. So now we want to get them onto our tray here. And I want to be really, really careful. If you're into bread baking, then you know that there's a paddle that you can use. You just lay the paddle down here and you roll the baguette over and then you bring it over here and then you just roll it right back onto your little thing that you're going to be baking on your tray. I don't have that. So I'll just lift this up very nicely, nice and easily. I'll just get that right on there. There we go. Perfect. Well, these are ready for the oven. My oven is already going at 475 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's about 246 degrees Celsius. Now you're supposed to use a razor. I don't have one handy, but I do have a very sharp knife here. And it is serrated, so it's going to do a nice cut. And what you do is you cut the baguette just minutes before it goes in to your oven. So just get it like that. Just do some slices. You want to go down far enough but not all the way through, obviously, just like that. And another one. There we go. So in the bottom of my oven, I'm going to place a tray with some very hot water, boiling water, just to add moisture to the oven. So I'm going to bake this off. It's going to be about 20 minutes, and then I'll come back a little bit later. Hey everybody, I am back, and I baked my baguettes for a total of 20 minutes, and they smell amazing. And I am in love with the aroma of fresh bread. These are extremely hot, so I can't break into them right now, but they look really good. I'm just going to flip it over so you can see the bottom. Very nice on the bottom. Whew, hot. Oh yeah. But I'm very, very happy with these. They sound good. Giving them a little tap, they sound hollow, so they are nicely baked. So that's it for now. I've got to let these completely cool before I could show you the inside of one of them. So here we are again. I'm just going to finish off the video here. I just want to break into one of the loaves to show you what they look like inside. So these are pretty much cool right now. So look at this. That looks amazing. For an amateur like myself, I think I did a pretty good job. So let's just tear into this and see what this looks like. Look at this. Can you hear that little crunch on the outside? Oh, where is the butter? Look at that. Very, very nice. I'm going to take a little piece. Oh, that looks amazing. I'm going to go in for a little bite. That is good. And anytime you've got fresh bread out of the oven, you know you have to have butter on hand. It just goes so well with fresh bread. Yum, yum, yum. Anyway, thanks very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Very nice. I'm impressed. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.